All right, so we back. We just had the windows and doors installed today. So now, take a quick look. There's the door. There's the window. The door. And they finished putting in the lights. You see the lights now. Let's check the other windows. A little dark. So these are cool. They of course have the screens, so you can open it up without the mosquitoes coming in. Then they got the lock. Then we have the door here and this window. Again, these lights are done now. And they're working on this bathroom. Almost done. See? Got the yellow. That'll be done today. We're gonna take it. So this, see it go all the way to the top. That's almost good to go. Boom. So that's that. Lights, windows and doors, bathroom. Let's get to it.